I picked up 6 hitchhikers at 6 different times, and I said, "Where do you get your health care?" And then to a person, they all said, "We don't get any." How are you this morning? Good morning to you. Good to see you. I'm better since seeing you here.
Oh, what a handsome fellow you are. What a handsome
I was a member of the board of the hospital, and I wanted to go around and see how the patients were doing, and discovered that there were no African Americans in the hospital. And discussed it with the chairman of the board. I said, "Why is that?" He said, "Well, they go someplace else. They don't come here." I said, "Well, that doesn't make sense to me." He said, "Well, they just don't come here." And I said, "There's something wrong here." The next morning at church, I looked up, and sitting in front of me were 2 retired physicians and 2 retired nurses in front of them, and I said, "You sure work fast." and that was the beginning of it.
Did you get what you wanted?
Yeah, this is expecting
The people who come here are those who have no access to health care and have an income less than 200% of poverty and live on the island or work on the island, and they are free to come to this clinic. So we have between 8,000 and 9,000 of them that live on the island, and that will generate somewhere around 30,000 patient visits a year. When the volunteers come here, I never tell them what's going to happen to them. I never tell them that somewhere along the way they're going to change and say, "Hey, something's been missing in my life, but I found it here." I get the best feeling when I come here that I've ever had in my life. Stop thinking about yourself so much and think about others. And when you've thought about them, volunteer to do something about whatever their problems are. And when you get involved in someone else's problems to help them, it's amazing how your problems go away and how you feel better about yourself every day.